Hi, hello, this is your lucky sir. Now we'll go with one very special reaction, that is Schmidt reaction. See, this Schmidt reaction, Curtius reaction, Lawson rearrangement, all are very special reactions applicable for only IIT advanced. For JEE mains and all, actually not required. But you can see because these mechanisms are very interesting. Carboxylic acid reacts with hydrazoic acid. What is the hydrazoic acid? N3H. N3H is hydrazoic acid. Carboxylic acid is RCOOH. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give isocyanates. Once if isocyanate is formed, on hydrolysis of isocyanate you can get here primary amine. See, RCOOH, N3H, you will be getting there RNH2 plus CO2 N2. Final products we are saying RCNH2 CO2 and this is N2. What actually happens? This is carboxylic acid RCOOH, and now you are giving H plus to this one. So electron pairs here present on this will be accepting this H plus. Then this electron pair will be shifted onto the oxygen. So finally the carbon gets plus charge. Because of this acid proton, carbon gets plus charge from carboxylic acid side. Now N3H you are using. N3H is hydrazoic acid, and from this hydrazoic acid, when lone pair of nitrogen is attached here, now you can see this HN3 will be having a lone pair of nitrogen. That lone pair is given to this carbon, and finally that looks like this. R, this is R part. OH, one OH is as it is, another OH, this is another OH you can say, and this HN3 is attached here, that is N3H, one nitrogen attached which is with hydrogen, and N triple bond N where this middle nitrogen contains plus charge. Now this OH will be lost with electrons, and this hydrogen electrons are coming here between carbon and nitrogen, and this N triple bond N is going to be out now. This will be going out. Here you can see with electrons it will be going out. So first what happens when OH minus is out and this electron pair is coming here, it looks like R, C, OH is as it is, and it will become double bond N, N triple bond N. When this oxygen hydrogen bond comes back, this electron pair is shifting back to nitrogen, which is giving this nitrogen to be out. Okay, so it looks like R, C, this R stays same, and this OH became now double bond O, and this now became single bond nitrogen with negative charge. When nitrogen negative charge is there, this negative charge will come back now, come back into this bond, and this R group is with electrons, it is attaching to the nitrogen, and this is out. This is minus N2, N2 is out. When this R group is attached to this nitrogen, that is Rn, and this electron pair is coming into the form of double bond, and C double bond O is already there. Rn C double bond O, this is isocyanate. See carefully what actually happened here. First proton is given to the oxygen so that oxygen gets H plus, and to avoid the plus charge on oxygen, electron pair is shifted from carbon oxygen bond. So carbon gets plus charge. And N3H, the nitrogen which is attached with hydrogen, will be having a lone pair of electrons. That lone pair of electrons are given to this carbon and forming a bond. Now this is the product. And from here OH minus is out, and this hydrogen, that means water molecule is removed from here, OH, and from here H. This bond is coming into the nitrogen and carbon. Later oxygen hydrogen bond coming here, that means loss of proton is taking place. This proton is out, and it becomes double bond O, carbon double bond O, oxygen. Then nitrogen is out from here, and finally you are getting here alkyl isocyanate. Alkyl isocyanate, when hydrolysis, will be producing amine. Amines are produced. Very special reaction, very important reaction. Not for JEE main, but you can remember for JEE main exam also. Schmidt reaction is useful for the preparation of amines from acids using hydrazoic acids. Hydrazoic acid means Schmidt reaction. Similar type of reaction from acid chlorides and sodium azide. That also you can see. That reaction is called Curtius reaction. Okay. Thank you.